Welcome to Friends of Nature. Today, we journey into the mysterious and surprisingly complex world of one of the most adaptable creatures on Earth, the frog. These small amphibians are not only vital to the ecosystems they live in, but they also reveal astonishing secrets about evolution, survival, and nature's balance. Stick around as we explore their biology, behavior, superpowers, and the serious threats they face today. What makes a frog a frog? Frogs belong to the class Amphibia, and the order Anura, which literally means, without tail. They are ectothermic, or cold-blooded, animals. This means their body temperature changes with the environment around them. Frogs have strong hind legs adapted for jumping, smooth or warty skin, and large, protruding eyes that give them a wide field of vision. There are over 7,000 known species of frogs, and they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are just a few centimeters long, like the tiny Paedophrine amorensis, the smallest vertebrate in the world. Others, like the Goliath frog from Africa, can grow to over 32 centimeters, 12 inches, in length and weigh over 3 kilograms, 7 pounds. But despite these differences, all frogs share a few common characteristics. A life cycle that includes both water and land stages. Permeable skin that allows gas exchange. And a powerful, sticky tongue made for lightning-fast hunting. The incredible life cycle. Frogs undergo metamorphosis, one of the most fascinating transformations in the animal kingdom. The process begins with the female laying hundreds, sometimes thousands, of jelly-like eggs in water. After a few days, the eggs hatch into tadpoles, legless, gilled creatures that look more like fish than frogs. Over several weeks or months, tadpoles grow legs, their tails shrink, and their lungs develop. Eventually, they emerge from the water as froglets, ready to begin life on land. This complete transformation is a symbol of change, growth, and adaptation, and it's why frogs have become powerful symbols in many cultures. Hunting and survival skills. Frogs are carnivorous and primarily eat insects, mosquitoes, flies, beetles, but some larger species can consume birds, rodents, and even other frogs. Their hunting tool. A tongue that can shoot out in less than 0.07 seconds, faster than a blink of an eye. Once the prey is caught, the frog uses its eyeballs, yes, its eyes, to push the food down into its throat by retracting them. Some frogs also have strong toxins in their skin. For example, the poison dart frogs of Central and South America have enough poison to kill multiple humans. They don't produce this toxin themselves, it comes from the ants and insects they eat in the wild. Breathing and moisture. Frogs are known for their unique ability to breathe in 3 different ways. Through their lungs, like humans. Through their skin, which must stay moist to allow gas exchange. And through the linings of their mouths, called buccal respiration. Because of their permeable skin, frogs are very sensitive to changes in the environment, especially pollution, UV radiation, and temperature. In fact, scientists consider frogs bioindicators. Their health can reflect the health of entire ecosystems. Communication and mating. The sounds of frogs, croaks, trills, clicks, are not just noise. They're a language. Each frog species has a unique mating call, used by males to attract females or challenge other males. Some can even be heard over a kilometer away. Frogs inflate vocal sacs in their throats to amplify their calls. The sound waves travel through forests, across ponds, and through marshes. During the breeding season, males often gather in groups called choruses, creating one of nature's most iconic soundtracks. Camouflage and coloration. Frogs come in a variety of colors, and these colors often serve a purpose. Green and brown frogs blend into leaves and mud, avoiding predators. Brightly colored frogs, like the poison dart frog, use aposematic coloration to warn predators they are toxic. Some frogs can even change color slightly to match their surroundings or signal mood and temperature. Global distribution and habitats. Frogs live almost everywhere, from tropical rainforests to deserts, mountains to marshes. Some frogs have adapted to freezing temperatures by producing a kind of natural antifreeze in their bodies, allowing them to survive being partially frozen during winter. Others, like the desert rain frog, have developed ways to survive with almost no water, spending most of their lives underground waiting for rain. Threats to frogs. Despite their adaptability, frogs are facing a global crisis. Nearly 1/3 of all frog species are threatened with extinction. Major threats include habitat destruction due to deforestation and urbanization, pollution of waterways and wetlands, climate change altering breeding cycles and water availability, diseases like chytridiomycosis, a deadly fungal infection wiping out entire populations. Saving frogs means preserving biodiversity and keeping ecosystems in balance. Frogs are tiny survivors, full of surprises, secrets, and strength. They're more than just the sounds of summer nights, they're a vital thread in the web of life. If you learned something new today, leave a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Friends of Nature for more deep dives into the wonders of wildlife. Thanks for watching, and remember, every jump matters.